Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not about the hair, but it is about the face. You like it? Pose, pose, pose. We can't flip it because we're not there yet, but we gonna pose. Today's video is a collab video with the lovely Miss Michelle. I came across her page on YouTube and I was like, oh my gosh, this girl is bomb. So I slid in the DMs. Yes, your girl slid in the DMs. I slid deep down in there and she responded back. What she doesn't know is this is now a friendship, okay? There is no such thing. Oh, we just did a collab. No, Michelle, we are friends now, okay? We are friends. This is now the friendship. So what I want to do, I'm going to leave her link to her video down below in the description box. What we did was more of a natural look because your girl, listen, I'm not a beauty guru and I don't like a lot of stuff on my face. So I was kind of excited that she came up with this whole natural look and I was like, yo, bet, this is what I do. No, this is what we do. This is what we wear every day, okay? So this video is all about the natural look and it's basically like my everyday look. If you guys like my hair or not, I don't really like my hair, but I figured I got tired of putting wigs on and putting got to be gel on here and I was just like, they already know you bald headed, sis. Just show up on here because I already know you ain't got no hair. With that being said, I will leave the link to Michelle down below. This video is not a voiceover because I didn't want to do a voiceover. So I hope you guys enjoy the music. So thumbs up, subscribe, go over to Michelle's page, check her out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, I hope you like my intro because your sis tried. So before I start, I'm just gonna say one thing I've noticed about this Fenty foundation that I changed my color to was it's too red. I usually wear 420 and I thought 420 was a little bit too, I say, yellowish for me, and I decided to go back to, well, I didn't decide, but I was looking on Instagram. Listen, some of you females need to stop changing your shade on your page because that kind of killed me a little bit. I know this wasn't supposed to be a voiceover, but I just want to say that this foundation was red on the screen. I didn't like it after I started editing. I mean, I've been wearing this all week. I didn't even notice until I actually looked at myself in the freaking screen or on the screen. So yeah. But I just want to give you guys like a little, you know, this is what I do as my everyday natural look foundation makeup look. So I hope you guys like it, but I am going to return the Fenty Beauty 430 foundation because it's just too yellow, or I might buy the Fenty Beauty 420 foundation and mix those two together because I kind of have like a red undertone. I don't know, it's kind of crazy. It's hard out here, but the Fenty Beauty does a good job for a natural beauty look. I hope you guys like this video. I told myself this wasn't going to be a voiceover, but looking at my editing, I was like, girl, I don't know, it's because it's the sunset or what, but you looking red, you looking orange, okay? Whoever watches this going to say the same thing, and you know me, you know I don't like to take out my, you know, horrible and you keep putting more on. Why? But I hope you guys like this video, and next time I do a makeup look, I'm not going to look orange. But if you are new to my page, I just want to show you guys the do's and don'ts about makeup. If you look orange, it ain't for you, sis. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of the video. But we did pull it together. Peace.